So our free time is dominated by consumption. Working hours stopped declining in the US. After a drop in the early 20th century, consumer capitalism became fast. We would use transportation and communication technologies, along with marketing known as planned obsolescence, to speed up the pace of consumption. Consumer capitalism funneled new products, allowing us to interface with the world without social mediation. Yeah, at the same time, we became increasingly diverse, which meant we had less in common with a society. And so we were more incentivized to interface with the world without social mediation. The automobile lets you travel without needing to take a train or walk in a crowd. One reason the left hates automobiles, because it gives you freedom of who you want to hang out with. The phonograph allows you to hear music without needing to go to a concert hall. So we had these quantum leaps in consumer goods with the TV, the internet, and smartphones, and they resulted in the colonization of our free time by fast-paced and antisocial modes of consumption. Well, people are strongly incentivized to be antisocial by many of the unfortunate criminal developments in a wider society and increasing diversity, which gives us, less reason to participate in society because we just don't feel comfortable with people who are incredibly different from us and don't share our hero system or our loyalties and are not closely genetically related to us.